Hi guys, thank you for joining me with Art Sphere today. We are going to be doing Peruvian pan flutes for our craft today. And these are, this is an instrument common in Peru, obviously, where it consists of different lengths and shapes of pipes that are placed together and played as one instrument. So you guys may have played or seen a flute where it's just one instrument that you play by itself, but this one uses a couple different flutes to bring it together and make a whole other instrument. So what you're gonna need is some straws. You can do this with 7 or 8, but I'm only gonna do 5. So just however many straws you want, and 5 is a good number to start this project out with. You're gonna want some cardboard to make a holder for your straws. So this is mine, and I'm just gonna cut it in half this way and place my straws in between. So whatever size cardboard you need for your straws. Then you're gonna need some tape and some scissors, and then also some markers, colored pencils if you wanna decorate your cardboard. So to begin, we are going to size your cardboard up to however big or small or wide you want it. It's completely up to you. And then you're gonna take your straws. And this is the important part because you wanna make sure that the straws are different sizes, because when you blow through them, they make different sounds depending on the size and the shape. So I'm gonna section mine off. You want it going from smallest to largest, like this. So however much you want to experiment with this, you can. And then you're just going to cut it straight at the top. So you want this top, where the top of this will be, you want it to be straight, but you want the bottom of it to be different lengths, like this. So now I have that. And they're each going to make a different sound when I blow through them, now that they are different lengths. And then I'm just going to take my tape and I'm going to place them onto the cardboard. So to do this, I think the easiest way, which is to take a long piece of tape, and you're going to make it double-sided by attaching the ends together. So now I have a piece of double-sided tape, and I'm just going to lay that down on that. And if I need more, I can always do a little bit more. You can also tape these individually if you want, so whatever you guys want to do to attach it. And then I don't want them completely together because my cardboard is a little bit large, so I'm going to separate it out how I want it on here. And again, the most important part is to make sure that the tops are flat and the rest goes from longest to smallest. Alright, and we have our other part. I'm just going to tape that on as well. And it's just going to be like a sandwich on top of our straw. So I have this placed down, and this one will just go right on top. And again, I'm folding the tape double-sided. Right, and there we go. So now I have my flute. We can see it like this. You can always add more tape to make it more stable, or tape the ends of your cardboard together to make sure that it sticks like this. And how you play this is blowing through the tops of the straw. So you can hear different pitches. This one is the highest. All right, so you guys can definitely mess around with this. You can also keep experimenting with the sizes and cutting them. And also, again, if you're using more straws, you'll have more pitches. And this is actually the, what you're hearing is the vibration of the air that you're blowing through. It's hitting the walls of the straw. So that is the noise that you're hearing, is the vibrations of air. And so when you have a shorter straw, it has less surface area to vibrate on, and so it's a higher pitch. So definitely just experiment with that and have a lot of fun playing this. You now have your very own instrument or pan flute. So I hope you guys were able to follow this along. and now you have your very own instrument to just play along with music or make your own songs. And if you enjoyed this, please hashtag us at Love Artsphere Inc. or email us at info@artsphere.org and share your creations with us. So I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thank you.